Hi, my name is AnnaBlanca.
And I'm Sage. Welcome back to the Addictive Wellness channel.
Today we are going to make something very, very special. This amazing recipe that's called the Beauty Berry Lemonade is from the Beauty Diet book by Rebecca Gauthier and David Wolfe.
Alright, so this is going to have a number of ingredients in it, all designed to make you radiant and beautiful from the inside out. We're talking hair, skin, nails, microbiome, liver health. So
wow, you're just speaking my language. I'm
so
excited about this.
We speak the same language. It's good stuff. Alright, so where are we going to start? No epic, cold, refreshing beauty drink would be complete without aloe vera. So we've filleted out about a 3-inch piece here of aloe vera into this bowl.
Look at that, how
it's going right in our blender. So just hold it up there to show you guys. It's a
Woo!
Nice, big, thick one.
Great
and
job.
We're so lucky nowadays because back about 10 years ago when I was first starting to enjoy aloe, it was hard to come by. You kind of had to go to a nursery and get your own little aloe plant, and the leaves were really small and you had to wait for them to grow. Now, just about any good health food store, you get these big, thick, robust aloe leaves that are just amazing. So,
I know, right?
What amazing times we're living in.
I love
and
this.
Aloe is a true beauty food. It has amazing mucopolysaccharides that are very soothing for your gut and also create a very healthy gut microbiome. So it's not that it has probiotics in it, but it actually creates a more amenable environment in your gut for these good bacteria to live in. And it's also great for helping move things through your bowels. And it is also high in MSM, which is the next ingredient that we're going to talk about. So,
oh yes, yeah, let's put that in already. So
yeah, we might as well because they're friends. Aloe is high in MSM, and we're also going to put in a couple teaspoons of pure MSM into here. And
MSM on their own, they would be really, really bitter, right? But we're gonna balance it out.
So these two ingredients are really like sour bitter on their own, but the MSM, its real benefit is, well, it has many benefits. It improves flexibility, it's a detoxifier, especially of bad calcium and bad hormones. But specifically here, we're looking at it because it is really supportive of the health of skin, hair, and nails. It's supporting collagen production, it's supporting keratin production. So if you want to have beautiful skin, strong hair, strong nails, MSM is an amazing thing to be able to have every day.
Okay, do you honestly think you can have a sip of this drink once you're finished?
What, you're gonna run off with the whole thing?
Definitely. So,
okay, we'll have to make one more afterwards for me.
Alright, so why don't we put this next to after this? It's fermented coconut kefir. Absolutely love it. It's fantastic. You can actually make it yourself. You can ferment your own coconut kefir. But if you don't have the time and you don't have access, for example, this is one of our favorites, tonics, T-O-N-I-X.
So that was Hungarian spelling. In English is T-O-N-I-X.
T-O-N-I-X, yes. And it is fantastic. It has living probiotics in it. And it's fantastic for your gut, which we already talked about it. And beauty and happiness starts in your gut.
Right, and this is an amazing way to be able to get all the benefits of coconut water.
Did you hear this?
Yeah, so this thing is alive.
It's so alive. It hissed at me when I opened it. You know that something is well fermented if it explodes in your car when you're trying to open it up, right? So let's pour all of this. Goes into the blender.
So what I was saying is this is a great way to be able to get all the benefits of coconut water without all the sugar that you would get with normal raw coconut water if you were just to crack open a young coconut. So here, all the beneficial bacteria have already metabolized that sugar, so you're not getting the big blood sugar hit, but you are getting all the benefits of electrolytes and things of that nature.
Fantastic. So, any, mini, money, more, what should we put in next?
Why don't you go for that one next?
Oh, yes. Well, he knows that I love the history and mystery of pearl. Pearl powder is something that's been around for thousands of years, and the most famous, beautiful Chinese empresses can thank their lustrous, beautiful, wrinkle-free, luminous, glowing skin to this little thing. It actually comes in a powder because they grind it up, and it also helps to regenerate your skin cells, and heals blemishes.
Yep.
It cleanses your liver. Fantastic. And it has, and also in Chinese tonic herbalism, they say that it's a Shen tonic. It not only helps to shine your skin, it also helps to shine the shining of your spirit.
Yeah, it brings down your stress and anxiety, and we all know you're better looking when you're feeling good and happy than when you're totally stressed out.
Exactly. And if you make other people very, very happy because you're a calm and happy person, they will perceive you as even more beautiful than you already are.
Well put. All right, so next is Schizandra berry. This is often referred to as the quintessential Chinese tonic herb. It is working in so many ways. It's a liver cleanser, it's a blood cleanser, it's beautifying, which is why we're going to talk about it. Also is a great brain tonic. But specifically talking about how it's beautifying, it is traditionally said to protect the skin from the harmful effects of the elements. So protecting it from the wind, from the sun, because these things over time, lots of exposure to the elements can take a toll on your skin. So it's tightening the skin, it's enhancing its ability to hold moisture, so it's, you know, really rich and alive and just vibrant. And it is just a herb that helps to diminish our stress as well, and it's in a similar way related to, as we spoke about pearl, it's a Shen tonic. So when you're not stressed as much, you're looking beautiful.
And we keep going back to that, I love it. So why don't we put goji berries in there next? Okay. It's one of my favorite Chinese tonic herbs. It sounds very strange that a berry that is an herb, but trust me, this is fantastic.
Well, we've already talked about pearls being an herb, so we've left the Western concept of culinary herbs a few minutes ago already.
Yes. And I really love it. There are only 2 foods in the entire world, and goji berry is one of them, that allows your brain, the pituitary and the pineal glands to keep releasing human growth hormone, which is actually a youth hormone. Imagine like keeping you youthful and ageless. This delicious herb that you can eat on its own because it's chewy and yummy. You can put it into drinks, keeps you young and beautiful. I mean, hello.
Yeah, it's good stuff. And
oh, it's stuck in
here. In there. These are the nice juicy dragon herbs, goji berries, so they can get a little sticky. And the other thing with goji berries is they are a liver tonic, as is Schizandra that we talked about a moment ago. So your liver health is very often going to be reflected in the health of your skin. And goji berries are also a great source of 2 specific antioxidants, zeaxanthin and lutein, which target the eyes, so they're great for eyesight as well. So not only are you going to be more beautiful, but you get to keep great vision to see the beauty in the world around you.
Oh, that's so beautiful. And next one, because it's a lemonade, we have a beautiful peeled organic lemon from the orchard of Sage's parents in Ohio. So this is like, we actually picked this lemon ourselves.
Yeah, hand-picked by AnnaBlanca.
So it's going in there as well, making it into a lemonade.
Now we've got liquid silica, and this is an amazing mineral and so important for collagen production. Silica is basically essential for the collagen production, and great mineral for joints and for so many other things, but specifically here, it's collagen time.
And we all know, ladies, collagen. I can't have, collagen.
Yeah.
Sage likes to dive into my cheeks. So
it's my happy place.
And you like the collagen in
Oh,
here.
yeah.
I mean, natural collagen, I meant. Hello. All right. Berries. I mean, we don't have to tell you guys much about berries. It's not only like the most delicious herb, very low in sugar, and very high in antioxidants.
Well, they're more of a food than an herb, but...
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
they're a superfruit, essentially.
Superfood. Superfruit.
Superfood.
Superfruit. So we like berries very, very much. High in antioxidants, as I said. So all of it is going into the blender. Oh, all right. Can you help me to pick the last ones out?
Good enough. You're good.
Oh, got it? Okay, good.
All right. Last but not least, we're going to sweeten this up using some liquid stevia. And of course, the amount of this that you're going to use is really going to depend on how sweet you like things to be. The great thing about this is that it's allowing us to get the sweetness into the drink without having something that's going to really affect our blood sugar.
Because, you don't want your blood sugar to get out of whack, because the glycation is not our friend. Glycation causes wrinkling.
All right, now we just need last ingredient.
Yes, the last ingredient
simple, but also very important.
It's if you have access to spring water, please go for it. We have a very nice filter at home, so this is beautifully filtered water. All right, and now it's blending time.
easy, guys. This is an incredible drink that's going to be beautifying you from the inside out and also benefiting your health in such a vast myriad of ways in addition to beauty. So if you have a chance, check out the Beauty Diet book. It's a really well put together book that introduces lots of really easy to understand health concepts that have deep wisdom to them that are just great to incorporate into your everyday life.
And now I think I'm about to have a pink mustache.
Here we go.
This is so good.
Thanks so much for joining us, guys. We hope to see you again soon and have a wonderful day.
Okay, I love you enough to share some with you.